Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account online with First Citizens Bank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for First Citizens Bank. Click on this first website over here. So, over here, we can see this option called Open a Banking Account, so let's tap on this. Choose your interest and simply click on Next. Now, we need to enter our personal details. Once we are done with this, we need to enter our contact details, date of birth, social security number, and all of the information asked here. Enter your address details as well and simply click on Next. After this, we need to enter our financial, that is employment details, and we need to provide our identity details as well. We also need to submit our identity cards. After all of the steps are completed, our account will finally be created. So, that is all we can do to open a bank account with First Citizens Bank online. So, that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.